Here we have an Ibico model EP-28 electric comb punch. Tabs in the front allow you to control which pins are punching. It can be operated using the foot pedal or a lever switch. You have your on-off switch to the side, as well as a switch for controlling which function is operating. I'll demonstrate it operating. All the details and specifications for this machine can be found on our website at boggsequipment.com. You can see, using the lever switch, flip the switch on the side, and we'll use the foot pedal. You can see it went through using the foot pedal. Again, here we have the Ibico EP-28 electric comb punch.